Morning, Mark Lodge here with Ben Dittmar from Norris Lake. What are we, April 15, 16 today?
16.
Got a 1953 Johnson TN28. Ben went through it last fall. Coils, condensers, clean points, new impeller, and runs like brand new. Christian motor back in the day. They sold millions of these. Great day here at Norris Lake with no wind. Temperature's about 55 degrees right now. Troll along all day and fish with this motor. Smooth as can be. This one probably sat for 25-30 years, had never been run till last fall.
Well, you owned it for 25 years without running it, didn't you?
Yep, sure did. Great motor that Johnson made today.